Ever felt lost in a sea of charts, indicators, and economic news when trying to navigate the exciting world of forex trading? You're definitely not alone. Choosing the right tools can be the difference between feeling overwhelmed and trading with confidence. And that brings us to a crucial question for any aspiring or seasoned forex trader. Is TradingView actually good for forex trading? Now, before we dive deep, let's acknowledge why having a solid platform is non-negotiable in forex. Unlike some other markets, forex is incredibly fast-paced and operates 24/5. You need real-time data, reliable charting tools, and the ability to react quickly to market movements. A clunky or unreliable platform can lead to missed opportunities and, even worse, costly errors. So, what exactly is TradingView? At its core, it's a powerful web-based charting platform and social network for traders and investors. But it's so much more than just pretty charts. Let's explore some of the key features that make it a strong contender for forex traders. First off, the charting capabilities are truly impressive. TradingView offers a vast array of customizable charts, from simple line graphs to intricate candlestick patterns and beyond. You have access to a wealth of technical indicators, think moving averages, RSI, MACD, Fibonacci retracements, literally hundreds of them, all easily applied and tweaked to your specific trading strategy. The platform also allows for advanced drawing tools, enabling you to mark up charts with trend lines, support and resistance levels, and various other analytical tools. This level of customization empowers you to analyze currency pairs exactly the way you want. Beyond the individual charts, TradingView excels at providing access to a massive amount of forex data. You can track a wide range of currency pairs from various brokers, often with real-time price feeds. This allows you to monitor multiple markets simultaneously and identify potential trading opportunities as they arise. The platform also integrates economic calendars, keeping you informed about key events that can significantly impact currency prices. But here's where TradingView truly shines: its vibrant and active community. You can follow other traders, share your own analysis and ideas, and engage in discussions. This collaborative environment can be incredibly valuable for learning new strategies, getting different perspectives, and even identifying potential trading setups you might have missed. The platform also features a scripting language called PineScript, which allows users to create and share their own custom indicators and trading strategies. However, no platform is perfect. While TradingView offers a free plan with a robust set of features, some of the more advanced tools and real-time data feeds require a paid subscription. Depending on your trading style and the number of charts you need to monitor simultaneously, the cost could be a factor to consider. Additionally, while the community aspect is a major strength, it's crucial to remember that not all analysis shared on the platform is necessarily accurate or reliable. Always do your own due diligence and combine community insights with your own independent research. So, coming back to our initial question, is TradingView good for forex trading? The answer, for many traders, is a resounding yes. Its powerful charting tools, extensive data coverage, and thriving community make it an invaluable asset for analyzing currency pairs and developing trading strategies. While the paid plans offer additional benefits, the free version provides a significant amount of functionality for both beginners and experienced traders. Just remember to be mindful of the costs associated with premium features and to always approach community-generated content with a critical eye. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.